couple weeks ago I took a small trip to Amsterdam with my girlfriend where we stayed on a boat. So this was a really cool experience. We spent a lot of time on this boat relaxing, and then of course I also headed into the city to do some photography. This trip was a great excuse to test my new lenses. If you saw my previous videos, I bought a bunch of lenses by Viltrox, and on this trip I decided to mostly test this 40mm f2.5. I also brought this Osmo Nano to shoot some POV footage. Really loving it so far. I did make a huge mistake though, so you might notice that in a lot of the shots my jacket will come flapping in front of the lens. So I had it framed so there was nothing that was obstructing the frame, but if I went like this, then my jacket would come forward and it would block the view. So I kind of messed that up, but hey, now I at least know it for next time. Anyways, I will stop yapping and will let you watch the video. Hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed making this type of video and I will make a lot more in the future.